What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. It is spring, so expect daily uploads, lies, whenever we have something to record. But you know, today is a good one. We are headed out to Englishtown, New Jersey. We're gonna go to Adam LZ's World Tour on the second day. Yeah, hopefully it's a good vibe. Ooh, hold on. So yeah, so stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, it'll be greatly appreciated that you hit that subscribe button. A road to 1,000 subscribers. With the warmer weather now, we hope to put out more content. So we'll catch you back when we reach. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, welcome back. We made it to Jersey. It is now 1:30. So we're a little late. They already started, drifting and stuff. So we're gonna walk around, check out some cars. When they resume the drifting, we'll go back over there, catch some footage over there. If you haven't already, subscribe. Appreciate it. All right? Nah, this is one clean RX-7. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. This is fire.
Yeah, this is.
See that turbo right there, though? Oh, let me zoom in. Nah, that turbo right there is massive, yo. Pat told me to record the CRV. Let's get it, yo.
CRV, bro.
Yeah, dream car. On 17s? What is it, 18s?
Monster truck.
Yeah.
Wait, I think it's on. It's in there.
It's crazy. Is it? Look at them ballasts, boy. Yo, Pat, what you drifting? What was that?
That.
What was it?
That.
Nah, I need names.
Something.
Something? Like 3 Series?
It wasn't 3 Series.
And then bill me for the grill. Like, yeah.
That's on fire, bro. I need to get my money up for sure to get one of these. Right, left. Which one are you going with? Right, left. Right, or left. Guys, this is my favorite. Just clean. S15s are really goated. Like, go Ted. Ka-chow. Where's that from? Pat, where's Ka-chow from? Where's Ka-chow from? Bro, it's from Cars, bro. The movie, yo. What, Lightning McQueen? It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. I don't know what that is, but that's on fire. Yo, I think this is the thing that TJ Hunt was racing. This is the thing that TJ was practicing to race in. TJ Hunt.
He was?
This brand of vehicle. I forgot what it's called though. It's tough. Yo, Georgie.
I didn't fucking believe it. It is so dope. Beautiful fucking car. Beautiful.
To the ground. Well, here we go. He's going to run it into the ground for sure. And as he fires in, nice initiation from Aaron Suzuki. As Jenny the boat now looks for the floor panel, the rear wheel, the sides, the doors. Can we run some holes and set sail around the circuit? That's for sure. To find their way through the infield. As Ariel Suzuki now looking a little better.
Guys, I just seen a boat drift, yo.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I've never seen a boat drift in my entire life, first of all.
Bro. What? This is ridiculous, dude.
Watching that look fake.
It looks fake, bro. Look like GTA.
Yo, especially the vinyl on it.
Yeah, it looked like a modded
like,
GTA
nah.
vehicle. Like, you got all the cheats. Now you can drift a boat on land. That's good.
Went straight into Los Santos shop and came out just like that.
You're hitching a ride, Jacob?
Crazy.
Looking nice and wide. They hammer back and Scott Anderson fires through the infield. Look at the wider. They've got Anderson. And they fire into outside. Look at Anderson on the foot brake. Though they fire through. Anderson playing with danger. Once again, big transition. Hammer into outside across the line. That's High Street start line through the gears they go. It's going to be Lemaire to lead out for Lace. For the Pride of Canada on the line right now. And Lemaire's for Desire. Look at that, big dive. No messing around from Desire. He was hungry for this one. Second fire through in front of the grandstand. One outside the Lemaire starts to drive away. We're going to find out through the gears they come down. Nice. Oh, wow. We're a big early initiation from Josiah. They call the mayor out here. Lamelo down on the inside. Corvette versus Corvette. Carbon fiber versus carbon fiber. Look at that. Front wheels down. Wow! Dirty transition. Bumper to bumper. Up to the wall they go. Carbon fiber. New Jersey. E-Town, are you not impressed? A little bit, maybe he thinks this one could go in his favour. Coletto absolutely fires through. Oh, Adam LZ fires in almost a backwards entry. Onto the transition into the outside zone, and Adam straight down into the door. The grandstand up to the wall. Will Colette take it to the wall? She certainly does, and LZ onto the rear wheel. That's angle on initiation. Colette shortcuts that outside zone. Trying to get it up to the middle. Early transition. Down on the inside. Colette Davis now starts to hunt down Adam LZ. Big click up to the one outside zone to the one of those Adam LZ and across the line. This is the mechanical to pick up the pace, needs to pull up his socks, and he goes for it as they come down the hill, looking into the infield. Of that one danger is 36 as he looks for the front wall. He can't get there as Ludwig tracks it away. Right to the edge of the circuit, no messing around. He's put that X on the door. Open door, it's going back to whoa! Goes wide on circuit. Gets that car back on track, picks it up towards the wall.
Yo, he in
3 years.
shit. That boy won that.
3 years for what?
In my driving record, because it's messed up right now.
To get what? To get what? To get what,
Why
Pat?
should die right now?
Let's charge it right now. Wait till that to get what car, Pat? This is proof that this is what you said, all right? So any other car is BS.
3 series.
3 series? Oh, you said M3? Is that what you said? I heard M3. You heard M3?
I heard M3.
M3, that's what you said, all right? All right, camera's off now, bro.
But now, facts.
Yeah.
I agree.
I'm sorry.
It's off, bro. Don't worry about it, bro. It's off.
Is it really?
Yeah, I'm just holding it like this.
Solar charger.
Bags, man.
Right. And if like Heike, I totally hear what you're saying, for being honest. Like I had some theories, like really and truly, bro, I was really about to like cop the M3 comp. Like no bullshit. I really was, cause I was in the dealer and my man's he worked there, so I was really getting a deal.
Oh my god. I think an S15 in red is just fire. So no funny, like besides the Z, I was looking at E30s, but like I'm not sure like which one to go with. Like, between these two, like what's the better car to drift with? Ooh. Nah, this red is everything. Oh my gosh.
I'm not gonna lie. I low-key want to keep the S15 Adaptive suspension?
Oh
Not this one, nah.
gosh.
Nah.
This joint fire. Nah.
But, yeah, bro. This shit is mid.
You see this? And I've been thinking about wrapping the car this kind of red, or maybe a little bit darker though. He got the S1s, 3-piece, which I want.
First of all, this is I read just this is money.
The only thing bad is that my rocker panels are dented on
See
mine.
the carbon fiber?
Yeesh. And that carbon hood, bruh. Oh, this joint on fire, chat. This joint on fire. Oh my gosh, bro.
Yo. But this hood though.
This is the thumbnail right here. Thumbnail, right here.
Nah, this shit is fire. This hood is tight.
Not gonna lie.
I'll take this over and put it on your shit right now.
Bro, I thought about it. I don't hear you. I don't want to hear you, Pat. I've been telling you that for mad long. But this right here,
Because
this right
I got my shit just sitting.
nah, this super nice. Oh my
If
god.
you go get it, I'll be hyped because I plan to.
Son, with the S15 and the Supra, with the Golf, right here, all the cars I need in life, guys, are right here. Not gonna lie to you.
We gotta find like a storage unit or a garage.
Oh, nah, these taillights are fire.
This could get sketchy. Hell yeah, what a photo. For front
Alright, so currently I'm walking backwards just because the sun is over there, so It was a calm day. How would you rate the day, Pat?
BBS's.
How would you rate the day?
It was cool. It was cool. It was nice. Seen a lot of nice.
You were saying something? Sorry, I think I cut you off.
I've seen a lot of like.
There's a little, oh, that's what I try to do. Just sorry. What about you, Vaughn?
No, I can't even front. Today was pretty good. A lot of great drifting going on. These professionals, they know what they're doing. Let me tell you. If you really want to drift, come watch these people first before you get out there in them roads. You heard?
They got nothing on me though.
Yeah.
See, I told you they got nothing on me. Man.
Facts with the Charger.
Yeah, man. I'm
Yeah, that boat. Facts. We saw a boat drift anyway, so it don't even matter.
Facts.
Thoughts? Motivated. Facts. Corvette.
Feel it in my heart.
I'm here.
Front wheel drifting.
Front wheel drifting. Facts. Oh, that's dangerous. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, cameraman, take your time, bro.
Nah, so, I'm walking backwards. It's kind of sketchy.
Rocky over here now.
All right, so we catch you in the next one. Hopefully, there's enough clips. Y'all enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. I think next week we're going to March Madness. So stay tuned. All right. Peace.
It's good to be level like this.